In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest FR Legends mod menu, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This is the newest version available, and as you can see on your screen, it gives you access to powerful in-game features, including unlimited money and coins on both iOS and Android. With this FR Legends mod menu, you'll unlock a wide range of options such as unlocking all cars, unlimited money and coins, free shopping, and many other premium features that completely transform your gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your FR Legends game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for FR Legends, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. Next, scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. In the pinned comment, I explain step-by-step exactly where and how you can get FR Legends++. Just follow the instructions carefully and you'll have the mod menu running in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.